and Mags as well. So you're still welcome. You won't miss the chance of having this caught on your cameras and of course on your platforms as well. Such a tremendous year that we just had, ladies and gentlemen. And we're only beginning as we all anticipate, you know. Us could come and join our queen right there in Thailand. Sino ba yung mga pupunta ng Thailand? Anybody? Lovely, nice, I love it. The show of hands. More, because I think we are also setting up some special partnerships to make it easier for us and enjoy the Miss Universe pageant in Thailand. Alright, I think we are done with it, ladies and gentlemen. So let's make sure that we capture them all on camera. So let's take photos, have we? Ladies and gentlemen, this time we're going to be allowing seated okay na. Okay, smile.
Smile.
So coming from Mags, there are a lot more things that are going to be unfolding, and I think we're going to be having a little bit of a sneak peek, or probably first tips about the information of some of the exciting campaigns that Mags will be rolling out together with Miss Universe Philippines. Of course, utilize right here our faces of Mags. Alright, are all the signatures in? Almost there. Paper for sure, and of course in all pages, you have to have this signature popping up, courtesy of Mags, and of course Miss Universe Philippines organization. With our faces of Mags, we're going to be there in most of the campaigns of the organizations involved in this partnership. Okay. There you go. So I hope you're ready with your questions or friends.
Iloilo, we're going to Cagayan de Oro. Yes, kasama ko yun. So we are going to have our provincial tours for the girls, and of course promoting Mags and Miss Universe Philippines as well.
Exactly. Gusto yan ni Yana. Mahilig talaga yan to visit the different places of the country. Tama ba, Yana?
I agree. Kaya napagulong na agad ako kay Sir Bob. Tayo, Sir Bob.
Diba?
Very much excited.
Yes, okay, let us open the floor to your questions. Okay, any questions from our friends from the media? Let me hand over the microphone to you guys. Ayan, may mga katanungan na kayo.
Queens, the Miss Universe Philippines Queens. Are you open for, let's say, mga celebrities in the future, aside from the Queens when it comes to endorsing the brand?
Previous years, before pa, puro endorsers ko na celebrities, mga actresses. But this time, I want to try beauty queens naman. Even last year, it was Verbia Mateo, remembers?
Right.
She used to be the Miss Universe Philippines as well. So this time, I'm going to have another beauty queens, not only one, but 3 of them. So, nagsigurado na ako. These are the people, you know, kasi sobrang timing. They were asking me, alam mo ba na sila yung mananalo? I don't know. Of course, we don't know. Nobody knows. But I can feel, I felt that these are the people that I like to endorse my products. That's why, totoo yun, alam mo yan. So, that's why, sabi ko, para sure, itong tatlo na lang. Oh, so that's why, first and foremost, I would like to thank all of you kasi these 3 girls are well supported as well, and I'm so happy. I also base it also on the fan base as well. So it's not only my preference, but also the fan base.
Sure. May follow-up question pa ako. So, earlier you mentioned
no follow-up.
but this is for your brand, man. So, no, seriously.
Meaning. Ayan.
Siguro started off na lang kasi the microphone is just right in front of me.
Yes.
I just want to start off by saying that I'm really grateful to Mags and also to Mags for choosing me as one of the faces of Mags this year. And I'm really grateful. So parang ako naman on my end, I've always been one who really want to contribute something to the brand. Something that I can share, my strongest suit with. with the brand. So I'll make use of my social media platforms in terms of promoting the brand. Because we all know, di ba, marami talaga mga tao na nakatutok sa social media ngayon. But then, as a good ambassador to the brand, it's really nice if I can show up wearing the brand and also the clothes. Because these are the clothes that are really worth sharing to wider audience. Kasi maganda the quality, also the colors, and the Max also promotes kasi modern chic, diba? Bags. Ayan. So, this is one of the things I'm really looking forward to.
Right.
And also, I like to really style myself and to really dress up. So I'm really excited to see more of the clothes. Now, and earlier today, we had a shoot. Tapos we were given the luxury and the privilege to see firsthand the new collection. So we're really excited. And I think that's about it. I'll make use of my social media platform. And as I heard from Axie Max kanina, we'll be traveling. So it's really a nice promotion as well. So this is a Filipino brand. So support local, support the brands that are truly promoting of the Filipino culture.
Lovely message from Rihanna. Talaga, you have to integrate it into your lifestyle for you to be effective in promoting it on social media. Who's gonna be next?
I'm very happy, of course. I'm very thankful to Miss Max for picking me as one of the faces of the brand Max. It's such an honor to work with a strong woman who built a homegrown brand with so many branches all over the Philippines. And we share the same birthday. I want to be like a businesswoman like you.
Oh, they just found out right now, ladies and gentlemen, that they have the same
We share
birthday.
the same birthday. And we would joke that anak niya ako kasi medyo magkamukha lang tayo.
Diba? At least that way.
Oh, birthday after. And to promote Max, of course, right now we're wearing Max, and we're very lucky to work with Miss Max, who's very generous in sharing her talents and resources with us.
Amazing. We're also excited for that. Win-win, how about you?
Nasabi na nilang lahat. Hindi ko ulitin ko lang din talaga nung alaman ko na ako yung isa sa Facebook.
Dagdagan mo ng dance step.
Oh, pwede. No, I'm very happy, again, like what Atisa said, to work with Miss Max, a very powerful woman who encourages for us to be confident. Siyempre, pag sinuot mo yung Max, kasama namin siya sa journey ng Miss Universe Philippines. So, natuwa din ako for the opportunity. And sinabi nga nila, 25. Birthday din ng mommy ko, 25. So, feeling ko may connection lahat. Oo. Yeah, connection.
Kinonect lahat.
I-push natin yan. Oo. Pero sa pag-promote naman, of course, we will wear bags, diba, kung may mga events. And I love how she'll help us sa mga susuotin namin because it's also not easy,
Right.
diba, na i-prepare lahat ng kailangan namin suotin, lalo na maraming kami mga events and everything else. So she's there to help us. And one way that we can give back is to promote it on our social media platforms.
Right. That makes you nice, man.
We're always supporting the organization and for picking the right girls for your brand. And of course, to our friends from media, maraming salamat sa inyong support and understanding sa lahat ng mga nagaganap. Maraming salamat. And of course, to Mama J, congrats as well. Busy siya. No, congrats to everyone. Wouldn't be this successful without the effort of each and everyone. On and off. And advance happy birthday, Miss Max. And advance happy birthday, Mama J. Yeah! To Atisa, oh my God, May celebrants, all the May celebrants, advance happy birthday.
So many things to celebrate. Do you have a message coming from Jonas also? Quickly?
I-connect na natin.
Yeah.
Okay. Kaya gustong-gusto ko si Max kasi birthday ko the next day ng birthday. Okay, thank you.
Voltaire. Yeah. So that everybody from the panel will be able to share some thoughts as well.
No, I just wanted to remind everybody that the opening dresses, those fabulous
Yes.
opening dresses,
So nice.
were by Mags. Can they get them and can they still buy them? And by them, I mean me.
Exclusive.
Exclusive.
Yeah.
Ako, madami niyang replica sa Divisory. Yung mga gumagaya na. Charot lang.
Ay, of course, kapag maganda, ginagaya talaga.
True.
Yes. Thank you for those. They're fabulous.
Yeah. How about a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for this path with May 25, May 26, and everything else.
Wow.
Oh yeah, we also have flowers, also dresses from the collection. They are all sporting right now. Modern chic, and you can see that for sure. You could wear it also in different parties, different events that you're going to be attending, and that is courtesy of Max. And of course, a lot more dresses for sure that will be loved by the Filipinos. Okay, let's make sure that Max, the brand, the logo, can be seen. Our Max City. Alright, now at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we already know that it is her birthday on the 25th. It is their birthdays on the 25th. So, ladies and gentlemen, to be by the band to help us out in singing the birthday song, let's bring out the cakes for our birthday gals. Let's all. Miss Max, Atisa, wish Luna, and may all of their wishes come true. Smile.
Photo first.
Photo first.
Alam ko yung winners.
Look here. One more.
And of course,
Blue.
Max. Okay, now maybe after these photos, we're going to be praying together to be led by Spiritual right here. Any message for Miss Max? Your prayer is 26 and all the other things that are celebrating the partnership of Max and the Miss Universe Philippines organization.
Atisha.
Meron naman ako. Oo nga, wait lang.
You could wear it also in different parties, different events that you're going to be attending, and that is courtesy of Max. And of course, a lot more dresses for sure that will be loved by the Filipinos. You know that it is her birthday on the 25th. It is their birthdays on the 25th. So, ladies and gentlemen, to be by the 26th and all the other things that are celebrating the partnership of Max and Miss Max, Atisa, wish Luna, and may all of their wishes come true. Smile.
Photo first.
Photo first.
Alam ko yung winners.